Breathe in slowly. Exhale with ease. Libra, you are the light between extremes, the calm in the chaos, the mirror of love and balance. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to be whole. These affirmations will help you return to your center, to your truth, to your peace. Inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale completely. Let's begin. I am calm, clear, and centered. I release the need to fix everything around me. My peace matters, and I protect it. I return to stillness whenever I feel overwhelmed. I am grounded in who I am. I breathe deeply and gently balance my nervous system. I allow calm to flow through my body and mind. I am safe to pause, reflect, and realign. I trust myself to find balance in any moment. I carry my peace with me wherever I go. I am worthy of love for myself and from others. I do not need to overgive to be loved. I honor my needs with softness and strength. I am enough exactly as I am. I choose love that feels peaceful, not draining. I'm not afraid to say no when it protects my energy. I release the pressure to be everything for everyone. I give myself permission to receive as much as I give. I am deeply lovable, and I see my own value clearly. I treat myself with the same care I give others. I allow myself to feel without getting lost in emotion. My emotions are messengers, not my identity. I give myself space to breathe before I respond. I do not need to solve everything right now. I trust my inner voice to guide me gently. I find balance between heart and mind. I am learning to hold discomfort without abandoning myself. I stay rooted in clarity, even when things feel uncertain. I'm not afraid to pause before making a decision. My peace is more important than being right. I find beauty in simple things. I am present in each moment. I create a life that feels beautiful, not just looks beautiful. My presence brings softness and grace into the world. I am a reflection of balance, elegance, and harmony. I allow art, music, and nature to soothe my spirit. I am worthy of a beautiful, peaceful life. I move with grace, not rush. I nourish my soul through beauty, rest, and intention. My energy is magnetic when I am aligned with peace. I attract relationships rooted in respect and balance. I do not chase connection, I align with it. I am safe to be fully seen and heard. I speak my truth with kindness and confidence. I release codependency and call in conscious connection. I am not afraid to ask for what I need. I choose relationships that nourish, not drain me. I listen with presence and respond with love. I give from overflow, not obligation. The more I align with my truth, the more harmony I attract. I align my life with what brings me peace. I am not here to keep the peace, I am here to live in truth. Balance is not perfection, it's presence. I create space for both action and rest. I honor both the giving and receiving. I allow ease to replace pressure. I trust that what's meant for me flows with ease. I release the need to control outcomes. My path becomes clearer the more I align with inner balance. I return to my center again and again with love. Inhale deeply and exhale with ease. You are not here to prove. You are here to align. You are not here to fix everyone. You are here to honor yourself. When you return to your center, you return to your power. You are Libra, balanced, beautiful, peaceful, powerful. Breathe in grace. Exhale chaos. You attract harmony by becoming it. Come back to these words anytime you forget your natural state. You are whole. You are enough. You are home.